Hello, my name is Ricardo Edelstein. I am the co-founder of BTM, Backtesting Market. Backtesting Market is a powerful platform designed to help options trader make things better and more informed decisions. This tool has been built with a mathematical algorithms designed to analyze the option market. Our algorithm analyze the market and help identify potential trading ideas like verticals, like iron condors. These algorithms allows BTM evaluate trading strategies, analyze the market behaviors, and use backtesting to identify potential opportunities based on data, not emotion or guesswork. Our goal is simple: to give traders the tool they need to trade with more discipline, manage risk, and become more consistent instead of relying on every motion. So I invite you to try BTM. We will give you 1 week free if you register for 1 month, $49.99, or we will give you 2 weeks if you register for 1 year, and you will pay only for 10 months, $499. I invite you to try BTM, Backtesting Market. Now, please allow me to show you our tool, how it works, so you can try. Okay, this is backtestingmarket.com website, and it's divided by 3 sites. One is the predictor, one is trend idea, and the other one is backtesting idea. The predictor is basically, it's like the instruments of a pilot, where they can see where the market may move. And this is measured, like the gamma exposure, where the institutions are located and where the market makers are going to cover those positions. This is one of the views. We have another view that is called the main. The main, it has different points like open interest, delta, and volume. But the most important, the one we use, is the gravity point, where normally the index goes at least once a day looking to meet that line, that blue line. Then we have the dominant gags. This is one of the ones that I like the most because this is where it starts every position to appear like little dots. As thicker it's the dot, it becomes like a line, and the index looks for that line. And on the right, it's actually is the cumulative dominant X. So what is on the left side, you can see on the rest of the day right here. Then we're going to go to the score evolution. The score evolution actually is reflected of what is right here at the bottom. It's a mix of price, gravity point, open interest, volume, gamma exposure, open interest in the gamma exposure, delta, volume prediction, trend, etc. Every single thing that is in here actually reflects right here, and it's going to show where the market is pointing. So you are going to see a score. If the score is negative, well, your idea is going to be down. And if the score is up, the basically you're going to show a trend of up. It starts at 10:05, the first measurement of the idea. Right here, I'm sorry, 9:35, we're going to start seeing a score. But the platform will start giving you an ideas at 10:05. Okay, that's where it's going to be coming the first idea. Then we have right here is where the trends are in the day. This is the short-term trend, and this is the long trend. Like for the rest of the day was going to be a negative day. And in the short term, it's also showing you where is the market going. The good thing about here that you can go back in time, like here I can go, for instance, to the August 5th or whatever day you want to go in the past and see how was the gamma exposure on those days, at what time, so you can move around. This is like I always said, this is like the pilot eyes, like a trader normally looks in here. Normally the scalpers check this first prediction view to check where the market is going. Okay. But the most important thing for our members of BTM is the trend idea. What is the trend idea? The trend idea, it has a different strategies that start coming at 10:05, and you have symbols like SPX, root, SPY, QQQ, and XSP. I don't recommend SPY and QQQ actually myself, because what happened is the market, because they are ETFs, what happened if you have the value of the strike close to your strike, is going to probably assign you the 100 shares, So that's why most of everyone in the group, they do SPX. Also, some people, they do root and XSP, which is a smaller side of trade. Okay, but how they come, like I'm gonna show you an example, So 10:05, the first idea comes, okay, and every 5 minutes you are gonna start seeing ideas. But which is the best idea? You're going to find the best idea in backtesting. Okay. Backtesting is going to show you on the left side at the bottom, it says top time slot. Once you press here, it's going to show you what are the best time for the last 3 months. For instance, we have here vertical and iron condors. In this season, we're having more revenue in verticals than iron condors. That's why, at least myself, I'm doing verticals. You can see it also iron condors, but as you can see, well, it's even a good credit. In 3 months, they have made $3,067. But look at the vertical. The vertical has been giving awesome money, $5,603. Okay, this is the ultra aggressive. You have also the aggressive, intermediate, and conservative. Myself, I like the best ultra aggressive and aggressive. Why? Because it gives you more credit. If you choose conservative, you're going to have less credit. And if you have one day that it goes against you, you're going to have, like a huge hit, Well, so let's practice here. So we have vertical. And if we choose the hour of 120, this is how it will work. You go to the trend idea, and you will choose SPX as your symbol. Okay. Today is the date 18, vertical, and I'm going to choose ultra vertical. Ultra aggressive. I run the report. Okay. So the report is going to start showing 10:05. Nothing from here is going to be there. So I don't like the hour because this is not the idea that I saw just a second ago. So I have to look for the 120. As soon as the 120 shows up, okay, I'm going to press here and it's going to show me what I have to analyze. Should I take the strikes of sell 7,700, buy 7,705. This is an ultra aggressive vertical call credit spread. It says call, but it's a call credit spread. Okay. This is actually is not typically a credit, because normally the credits are like around 150, at most 200, but lately, I don't know, for some reason, it's giving it an awesome credit. So here it gave us today $310 of maximum profit and maximum loss 190. Today was an awesome day. I made good money, so it was good. Okay, so also you can see here the live position. So during the day, you're gonna see how the index is moving, and also how is your profit, your profit and loss, if you're making money or not. Okay, so the blue is the profit and loss, and the orange one is basically the index, where it's going. This was a call credit spread, which was an idea that it was supposed to be pointing down. Then, if we want to go, this is what I was telling you. Today was an awesome day, 100% Look at here, winners, 65 winners today. Well, let's go here to the backtesting because I want to show you how good is this tool. Because I don't want you to just follow BTM or backtesting market because I'm saying so. I want you to go back in time how this tool was working in the past. Okay, so let's go 1 month, just 1 month to see from the 18 to the 18, well, the 17 to the 18, which is 1 month. So if I run the best times, which the best times are the best times that BTM send you the signal every Saturday. Okay, so we're gonna see in 1 month it make money or not. Probably not. Let's see. Okay, check this out. $3,000, $3,090 in 1 month with just one vertical. This is amazing. I don't know, but this is incredible. Let's go back in time. Let's go 1 year, okay, to see if it really works or not. So let's go to August 18. Okay, August 18. There you go. Okay, the best times that why it says fix here and the best times because some people like to go just the same hour every single day. Okay, so for instance, you can choose 11:55, but most of everyone in the group, in the WhatsApp group, we choose the best ideas of BDM. So if we run the report for 1 year, let's see how it did. Check this out. $11,468. Oh my God, this is incredible. Let me show you one thing. Okay. This is all the way up. Now, I want to be clear with you guys. There are days that platform also they give you, like bad months. Like look, check in January or February or April, they were bad months. But like the stock market, you have also drawdowns, pullbacks. But if you compare this, if you start, your account with $2,500, you have more than 400% in 1 year. Please compare with a CD. A CD, they are giving you probably like 3, 4, even 5% a year. Okay, here is almost 400 and like 25% in 1 year if you started like with $2,500. It's incredible. Well, if you start with $5,000, you have 200 and something percent. So, but I want to show you something. Let's go here in 3 months. See. Okay, let's go. Let's run this report. Because when I want to show, I want to show you, like sometimes there are people that they start in here and they start the first day, oh, bad day. Next day, good. Next day, bad. Next day, good. And they say, you know what, this thing doesn't work. And looking here, probably the guy who started in here, oh, 3 days in a row, this platform doesn't work. It's basically your investments are not, going to be measured by 3 days or 1 week. You have to measure your investment by a quarter, by 6 months, by 1 year. Looking here, in 3 months, like they made $4,646, whoever did one. Like some people, I do normally two, sometimes I do three. It depends the day. But the idea of here, and let me be straight, is to do every single day the same amount of positions. Like for instance, if you're going to start with one, do one every single day. If you're gonna do two, do two, 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 two. And when you are ready to pass to the three, but you have to be aware that this thing also goes bad in some days, like you can have, like probably a bad day and a drawdown is gonna come that day. So if you're planning to put two position or three position, and if you have a credit of $150, the risk that you are doing is 350. So if you multiply 350 times three, you are losing $1,050. So you have to be aware. This win rate of this platform runs like between like 78 to 85%. Like it's an awesome. You can see here actually the win rate right here on the left side. Like for this, how many months? Here we run for 1 month, 82%. Let's run again for 1 year to see how was the win rate in 1 year. Okay, let me see. Okay. Oh, I put three. I'm sorry. I want to put one only. Don't get excited. So basically here, as you can see, it's 74% of win rate in 1 year. This is so amazing. I have been trading since 1999. And if someone showed me a tool that give you a win rate of 55%, I was going to buy it easily. Like I was going to become a member very easily. But here you have a very powerful tool. This is a backtesting market BTM. I invite you to try it. It's 1 week completely free. If you don't like it, you can cancel. It's $49.99 a month, and we will give you 1 week free. And if you want to try it for 2 weeks, you can register for 1 year. And not only we will give you 2 weeks free, but we will give you also 2 months for uh, for free. So I hope that you can try it. If you don't try it, you're never gonna see it how it works and how useful and powerful is this backtesting market platform. See you guys.